Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. In case you have not watched the previous episode, let me give you a recap. So I purchased this VolantexRC Mini Trainstar from Banggood earlier this year, back in January. And it arrived in February, but there was a problem with one of the servos. So the servo was dead, it was not moving the control surface. So I reached out to Banggood. I had really good experience with Banggood customer service in the past and they did not disappoint me. They refunded me for full price. It was $50.70 that I paid, I got it back. And I have been waiting for this to go back down to that price, that it never did. So what I did instead a couple weeks ago is order just the control board. And the cheapest I found was from Monkey Hobby. I got this for $15.39. There was some shipping, $4.90. So I paid $20.29. Since I got this for free, this defected airplane, because Banggood didn't ask me to ship it back, hey, now I have hopefully a working airplane. So I just compared them and these are the same. So I purchased the correct brick for this. So what I'm going to do next is just uninstall this one. I already pulled it off, but I have to desolder these two wires that go to the motor and then solder them into the new receiver board. And then I'm going to put everything back together. Unfortunately, I had to rip the foam in order to take the wing off. There wasn't any easy access to the inside. And I'm going to use foam tack for putting it back together and probably hot glue to put the receiver board back in. But before I do that, I would like to test this and make sure that it's actually working with this controller. I mean, you never know. I just don't want to put it back together just to find out that something is not working. So I'm just going to connect the battery to it, and there should be some blinking lights. Let me move this away so you can see it. Here it's connected. I already heard the servos moving, and here there is this red light blinking. And I'm going to... Oh, I need batteries. Fresh batteries are in. Still blinking. Throttle is all the way down. Let's turn this on. The blink stop and then a couple more blinks. Let's see. Up, down. It should be good. Let's check. I can hear it moving. The stabilization system. Okay, it's difficult to hear. They are so tiny servos. I was for a while not seeing it, but let me put the servo arms on so you can see it, that everything is working. Because it's almost impossible to hear. See, they are moving. So this is the aileron control which moves the rudder, and this is the elevator. And it is moving. Now what I'm going to do is put this new receiver board in and just connect everything, test it out, and then go outside and do the review flight. The soldering is done. Let's make sure that the motor is working. The servo's moving. And let's get up, down. And it is pushing the air in the right direction. So it is all good. So I think it's all done. I'm just going to wait for the battery to finish charging while I'm also waiting for the foam tack to fully cure. It says it may take up to 24 hours, but after probably half an hour, it should hold enough not to come loose unless I have any crashes. So it looks good, and hopefully I'll see you outside doing the flight review.